Unemployment is a social challenge that affects individuals, families, and communities. It happens when people who are willing and able to work cannot find.
Mike, how's your job searching today?
It was difficult, ma'am. I applied several companies, but I wasn't accepted.
Don't lose hope, son. Finding a job can be difficult, but you keep trying.
I'm trying, Dad. I want to help our family, but there are not enough opportunities.
We believe in you. Keep improving your skills and don't give up.
Hey, Mark, you look worried. Everything is okay. I've been looking for a job. We applied to many places, but I keep getting rejected. You are trying to for house. No, I will not. I don't know where to find one. It's ask the job officer in our community. Maybe they can help you.
Good morning. How we can help you?
I'm looking for a job, but I don't have much experience.
That's okay. We have skill training and program information for available job.
Excuse me, I'm looking for work. I applied to many companies, but I haven't found a job yet.
You too, welcome to our training program. Please attend the upcoming job fair.
That sounds helpful. I'm willing to learn.
Me too. I want to improve my skill and find a job.
After completing the training, Mark and the other job applicant attend a job interview.
Good morning. Tell me, why you want to work for our company?
I want to work because I want to support my family. I'm hardworking and willing to learn.
That's good. What skill did you gain from your training?
I learned new skill. I learned how to work with others.
I'm going to complete the training. I may not have much experience, but I'm willing to learn and work hard.
That's important. We need employees who are responsible, hardworking, and willing to improve. After reviewing your application, we have a position available for both of you.
Thank you. I wasted for opportunities.
Thank you for giving us a chance.
Unemployment is not only an individual problem, it can affect families, businesses, and the whole community.
What can we do to help reduce unemployment?
We can provide skills training, job fairs, education, and support for small businesses.
Business can also create opportunity and qualified fair chance job.
Companies can encourage unemployment members to continue learning and supporting opportunities.
And friends can support each other instead of giving up.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are working together to help people affected by unemployment.
We have information about job opening and training program. Anyone can register here?
Thank you. I want to improve my skill and I find a job. I want to support my family.
I also want to learn new skills. I believe training can give me better opportunities.
position, we are looking for a people who are responsible and hardworking and willing to learn.
It's a good opportunity. Sometimes people just need support and a chance to what they can do.
We should support people who try to find work instead of make them discouraged.
And we should encourage young people to continue their education and develop these skills.
When the government, businesses, schools, families, and communities work together, we can help reduce unemployment.
There are possible solutions to unemployment. First, provide skills training. Offer free or affordable training to help people develop useful jobs.
Create more job opportunity. Business and government can create more job opportunity. Support small businesses. Give assistance to people who start or expand small businesses. Fourth, improve education. Provide quality education or vocational program that prepare students for available jobs.
All jobs first, cannot job seekers. There is the companies that are hiring.
6. Provide career guidance. Help people to identify suitable career based on their skills and interests.
Strengthen community supports. Community can share job information, training opportunities, and other resources.
Encourage entrepreneurship. Teach people to manage a small business.
8th solution. Reduce discrimination in hiring. Give qualified applicants a fair chance regardless of their background.